Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Sound On feature. The TikTok Sound On feature, also known as the original sound or add sound tool, is the core of the platform's music-driven content. In 2026, it includes AI-powered sound matching and direct integration with music streaming services. To add a sound to your video, all you have to do is tap on this plus icon and open the camera. From there, you should be able to add sound to your video by tapping on this add sound option. Go ahead and select any of these options from your For You, or just tap on this hot, from where you should be able to find a regional top trending music or even global. Or if you want to select of your own choice, all you have to do is tap on this magnifying glass, from where you should be able to use or search for your own choice of music. And once you do so, all you have to do is go ahead and select on one and tap on this blank space. Now you should be able to record any video on this specific music or add it to your pre-recorded video. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.